Hey everyone, I wanted to show you guys my haul from the weekend. I went to a MOCO Diecast show over in Willis, Texas. If you guys are close to Houston, you should check them out. I think they do a show once a month, and they got a few vendors that go out there and sell quite a few Hot Wheels. It was pretty good. So one of the ones I got is the Volkswagen drag bus. So I had been looking for this guy and could not find it, and couldn't find it on the shelves at least. So was actually able to find one there, and they weren't too expensive. They were pretty good on the price, so went ahead and picked one of these guys up. And then I always like these 62 Chevy pickup trucks. These are awesome casting. These ones come with the real rubber tires, and I'm not much on the set, so I usually just get the ones I like, which is going to be that 62, the van, and then the hauling gas truck. And these other two, they're all right, but this one, I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. I like the display some, but this was one. Got those real riders. You can see the dual exhaust on there, surfboard on the back. They did real good with this truck. Really nice. The detailed tail lights. That Chevrolet symbol's on there pretty good. That's a good looking truck. Also picked up the 68 COPO Camaro. This one's in Spectre Flame Pink or Rose. Well, it's kind of peeling up a little bit there, but other than that, this one was not bad. I may end up opening this guy up later. That's a good casting there too. Then I got the tail dragger, the Jiffy Lube. So I got a few others with the Jiffy Lube name. So I went ahead and this was one I didn't have, so I picked it up as well. So real riders, tail dragger, such an awesome casting. There you can see some of the other ones. That's a good one there. Then I got some Purple Passions. It's one of my all-time favorite castings. These ones were awesome. They were selling these pretty cheap as well, so I went ahead and picked up quite a few of these. So I got those two. There's one in blue. Then I got two in the gold. I'm probably going to open one of these guys. That way I can display it on the shelf. And then same here, I got two of the green ones. The pinstriping there. There you can see the rest of them that will complete that set. These were great. I picked up quite a few. I think I grabbed all of the Purple Passions she had. Let's see if they got any more next time I go up there. Maybe do some customs with these Purple Passions or change some around. This was a great casting. So let me know what you guys think of these. I'm gonna head back up there next month when they do it again. I'll see what they got, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.